Sell smarter. Why working with a real estate agent might beat going solo. So if you're thinking about selling your house on your own and call it a for sale by owner or a FSBO, there are some important things to consider. Going this route means taking on a lot of the responsibility by yourself, and that can be a bit of a headache. A recent report from the National Association of Realtors, the NAR, found two of the most difficult tasks for people who are selling their home on their own is getting the price right and understanding of the performing paperwork. Here's just a few ways an agent can help with those difficult tasks. So setting the right price for your house is important when you're trying to sell it. If you're selling your house on your own, two common issues that can happen that just for starters, you might be asking for too much money, otherwise known as overpricing. Alternatively, you might not be asking for enough, underpricing. Either one of those can make it hard to sell your house. And according to NerdWallet, when selling a home, first impressions matter. Your house's market debut is the first chance to attract a buyer, and it's important to get the pricing right. If your home is overpriced, you run the risk of buyers not seeing the listing. But price your house too low and you could end up leaving a lot of money on the table. A bargain basement price could also turn away some buyers as now they start to wonder what's hidden that we don't know about. To avoid these problems, it's always a good idea to team up with a local real estate agent. As agents, we know how to figure out the perfect price because we understand the local housing market. We can use our expertise to set the price that matches what buyers are willing to pay, giving your house the best chance to impress from the start. Understanding and performing paperwork. Selling a house involves a bunch of paperwork and legal documentation that has to be just right. There are a lot of rules and regulations that follow, making it a bit tricky for some homeowners to manage everything on their own. Without a pro by your side, you could end up facing litigation or legal complications. As your real estate agent, I'm an expert in all things contract and the paperwork needed for selling your house. I know the rules and can help guide you through it all, reducing the chance of mistakes that might lead to legal problems or even some delays. So instead of dealing with the growing pile of documents on your own, team up with an agent. The bottom line is this: selling your home, it's a big deal and it can be complicated. Having a real estate agent can make a huge difference with setting the right price and managing all of the details so you can sell confidently. Let's connect to make this process smooth and take the stress off your plate. Until next time.